Hi, I'm Tony Lowe, Associate Director of National Veterans Service, VFW. Today we're going to talk about VA home loans and the Home Loan Guarantee. Now, as a service member, veteran, or surviving spouse, you may be eligible for a VA home loan. But first you need to meet a few eligibility requirements. Number one, you need to have served at least 90 consecutive days on active duty during wartime, or 181 days on active duty during peacetime, or 6 or more years in the reserve component, that's National Guard or Reserve, and or be a surviving spouse of a service member that has died in the line of duty or succumbed to their service-connected disabilities. Now, as you may already know, VA Home Loan is a wonderful, wonderful program afforded to you. The VA Home Loan and the Home Loan Guarantee affords you the opportunity to purchase a home through your private lender, your mortgage company, your own personal financial institution, and the VA will guarantee a portion of that loan, upwards to $424,000. What does that mean for you? That affords you the opportunity to receive a more attractive loan package through your financial institution. Now, just because you're eligible for a VA home loan does not mean you're automatically approved for that loan. You still have to work out those details with your own personal financial institution. The VA does not, I repeat, does not issue funds directly. They only guarantee a portion of that loan. Part of the process that you're going to go through if you execute a VA home loan is to receive a VA Appraisal Inspection of that property. That is simply to appraise the value and the condition of that property. That is totally separate from your home inspection. If you are a service-connected veteran, 10% or greater, you may receive a funding fee waiver or be reimbursed for that funding fee, depending on your circumstances. Remember, part of the VA home loan process or requirement is for you to list that as your primary residence, meaning you have to occupy that property as your primary residence. Now, there are so many different types of VA home loans available to you, one of them being the purchase loan, which we talked about before. That's for new, existing properties, modification to existing properties. There's also a cash-out refinance loan. And that's where you're going to take out the equity on your existing property and buy that swimming pool, buy that RV that you've always wanted, put your kids through school. There's also a interest rate reduction loan. That's where you have an existing VA loan and you reduce the interest rate, refinance it, which puts more money back in your pocket each month. There's also a Native American direct loan program that allows our Native American veterans to build or modify existing properties on their federal trust land. There are so many other resources available to you. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to one of our locally accredited VFW representatives. You can find them at www.vfw.org/NVS or simply give us a call at 800-VFW-1899. Now remember, the VA, if you're in a house right now and you're experiencing difficulties making those mortgage payments and those VA home loan payments, please contact the VA immediately. Reach out to them. There are so many different programs available to you that where you may be able to stay in your home or be able to better your circumstances. Please reach out to them at 1-800-877-3702. Thank you, and remember, no one does more for veterans.